Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add videos onto your Shopify product page. So once you're on your Shopify admin dashboard here, just go to online store and then themes and then click on customize. This is our home store here. You want to add it to your product page. So let's go to a product page. I'm going to go to this product page right here. And then the way you can add a video is by going on the left hand side here and then press on add section. It'll pull up this menu, just scroll down, and there it is. There's going to be a video section. Just click on that, and it'll add a video down here. The video, you can change the name of the video, like maybe product video. You can set if it's going to loop, and then the way you select the video, you can either embed it from a URL, so maybe from YouTube or something, or you can upload your own. But I don't have a video. I'm just going to embed a video. So maybe copy, write, free music, something like that. YouTube. I'm going to find some music here that's royalty free. Yeah, like this. Going to copy and paste this, and then go to the URL. Going to replace that. And now the video will be like that. You can change the cover image if you want. Once you're happy with this, just click save. Let's see if it plays. And there you go. It's now playing, and now you have a product video on your product page on Shopify.